In this video, I will guide you on how to change Snapchat notification sound for one person. First, launch open the Snapchat app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the chat icon. From here, locate the conversation where you want to change the notification sound. Go ahead and long press on that username. From these options, select the one that says Chat and Notification Settings. Now you should be able to find the option of Notification Settings. Tap on that. Here, tap on Notification Sounds. By default, it will be set to standard notification sound. If you want to choose a custom notification for a specific person, you will need Snapchat Plus subscription. If you don't have it, it will prompt you to subscribe. So go ahead and tap on the next option, follow the on-screen prompts and subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Once you have been subscribed, tap on the notification sound, choose your preferred sound from the available options and save your changes. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.